Welcome to the next Mission Report. Today, we're going to be talking about how to automate my real estate business. And this isn't from the marketing side. This is from you working with your buyers and your sellers and having a standard operating procedure. Welcome to the next Mission Report. Welcome back. I'm Norman Kinsey. You're on the Mission Report designed to give you weekly advice, quick tips on very specific ways as a realtor you can grow, scale, and automate your business using online marketing techniques. Now today we're going to give you 5 techniques and best practices on how to automate your business so that way you can have a standard operating procedure when working with buyers and working with sellers. And the best part about this is you don't have to hire someone, you don't have to fire someone, and you don't have to think too much into this. It's very simple. First thing you can do to automate your business is set yourself up with Google Calendar. Google Calendar is the best way to be able to set up a calendar and have everything time blocked. I time block my lunch personally. I time block my Real Estate vs. Technology podcast episodes. And I also time block, as you can see from 4 to 6, I'm not available, the Mission Report video activities. That's exactly what you should be doing as a real estate professional. You should be time blocking your schedule. So if someone wants to meet you, potential buyer, you're only available from 1 o'clock until 2 p.m. So you only have a couple options. Do you want to meet from 1 to 2 or from 2 to 3? Period. It sets the tone for urgency that you better meet sooner than later because your calendar is filling up. And you also, the last thing you want to do is be available all the time for your clients. So next thing to take into consideration is you want to have Calendly. Calendly works very well with Google Calendar. And if you want to set up a Real Estate vs. Technology show with us here at Liftoff Agent as we sponsor Real Estate vs. Technology, we're going to send you a template email and we're going to go ahead and send you a link that goes right here so you can set up a show with us. If you set up a demo with us, then we're going to have a discovery meeting. If we're going to have a quick conversation, it's a 10-minute meeting, and if there's going to be a broker presentation like a lunch and learn that you want us to come and speak at your brokerage, we're going to send you this link here. So you can hypothetically set up multiple different types of calendar links that you can send out to your buyer or seller or whoever it is to go ahead and have a quick chat, phone conversation, or in-person meeting. That ties into the next thing perfectly, which is Gmail. And this is a template email that we have here with the Calendly link. So this here is going to be a template email that we use for, you've been selected for a real estate technology podcast. So you've been selected as to be a guest on our show. This is a template email. You might have received this or seen this if you've already been a guest on a Real Estate vs. Technology podcast. We put a Calendly link there to make it all simple and all very, very much automated. And the cool thing is Gmail also is synced with the Google Calendar and also Calendly. They all work together, which is awesome. Tip is going to be in steps of the buying process with Mr. Matt Tenzar, and he's lined it out on his website and made it super simple. So if you're working with a first-time home buyer and they're kind of like don't really understand the process, if you direct them to your website and you have a step-by-step process, it makes it super simple. And the 5th tip that ties into this actually seamlessly is having a playlist on YouTube where you can be in front of the camera and you could talk about hypothetically the 9 steps of the buying process, and you could put together a YouTube video and a playlist and you can have it on your website, and you can literally send them this playlist link to their email with a template email. So when you start automating and you start working with new buyers, you literally have a template email with your Google Calendly link and automatically a playlist of the buying process. Done. You don't even have to think twice. You don't have to sit there on the phone and repeat yourself 100 times because you sent them the link to your website or you sent them the playlist to your YouTube channel that broke down the process. And if they have any questions, comments, concerns on top of actually watching the video, then maybe A, you didn't record the video that well, or B, you need to direct them back there, or C, you can't answer the question. But it's kind of insane to answer questions over and over again over the phone. It's kind of insane to answer questions over and over again via email. And if you want to have a good reference point, your website or having a playlist like this on YouTube is the best way to do it. Those are our 5 tips to automate your business, Consider this a standard operating procedure to be able to grow your business, scale your business, and get to the next level without hiring anyone. If you found value from today's mission report, please do us a favor. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the video, and comment below with what you learned. And if you already are doing this, great. Comment below with what technique out of these 5 techniques you use the most and how has it been helpful in your business so we can share this wealth, build our real estate community here at Liftoff Agent, and do more to give back. So thank you so much for watching today's mission report. We really appreciate your continued support. Today's Thursday when today's video is filmed. Have an amazing weekend, and we'll see you next Tuesday for the next mission report. Thank you so much for completing the mission report video here on YouTube. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment below with what mission you have already carried out for your business to be entered in to win the next $2,500 IDX real estate website. We give them away on a quarterly basis, and you can also set yourself up with a live free discovery meeting so we can deep dive into your online marketing approach, give you some suggestions, and of course, if it makes sense and you would like to sign up with us, we'll give you $250 off the startup costs, and we'll see you for the next mission report.